Hello, welcome to our channel once again. My name is RexSam, the solar doctor, the celebrity engineer. Thank you for constantly watching our video. Thank you for always coming to this channel to grab knowledge and information concerning green energy or the solar energy as we all know. I sincerely want to say thank you and keep on watching by touching on the subscription button. Click, like, share, and always help us to grow the community by joining others together in order to develop a safer environment and environment without pollution by the use of natural phenomenon, natural energy that have been given to us called solar energy. Today, I have a topic to discuss as I help you as a business owner in solar. I can help you make your product well known to everyone. I can equally make it usable to every installer. If you are an installer and you are learning how to install properly, this channel is for you. If you want to learn how to start from the scratch and become a professional, this channel is also available for you. I will teach you step-by-step method of running your installations, how to construct, how to maintain, how to talk to your clients, and how to convert the skills into wealth, which is money, how to earn while learning. This is what I do for everyone that is watching this video. So today I have a critical questions that people have been asking and I want to treat it in this video. If you are here and you want to use solar, or perhaps you've been running installations and you have this kind of challenges like the kind of battery to use, this video is precisely made for you. It's made for both professional learners and people that intend to learn. It is actually dedicated for the users and for the installers as well. Over time, we've been using tubular battery, dry cell, SMF, gel, but in recent installations, we have increase in demand for lithium batteries. But there are some challenges that those that have the previous ones are encountering today and they don't know how to switch. In this video, I will show you how to convert and how to switch to other ones, how to switch from tubular to lithium battery, what you must consider when you are moving from tubular battery to lithium battery or from gel battery to lithium battery. So this video will give you details on how to do it, and that is why I'm here to clear the question. The question says, why is it that we cannot use 48-volt battery system of lithium battery in the place of 120 volts or 180 volts battery system of tubular batteries? So this video will explain the details. For us to maintain a system or to maintain a solar system, we have components that made up a solar system like the inverter, the battery, the charge controller, the solar panels. These are the four major components that is needed for them to function. Then the fifth one should be the cable. So we all know that we have lithium battery recently and it is taking over the market. So if you are using gel battery or dry cell, I'm trying to tell you that it is the right time to adapt to lithium battery because this is where the main space management is, and also the lifespan of all the batteries we've been looking for is also hidden in this particular system. So for us to maintain 12-volt system with lithium battery, it means you must have lithium battery 12 volts and inverter 12 volts also. Then for you to maintain 24, it means the inverter must be 24 volts and the battery will be 24 volts for it not to malfunction. 48 in the same way. So converting 48 volts to 96 cannot be done with reasons. In lithium battery, there's what we call BMS, and the meaning of BMS is battery management system. So what is the functions of this mechanism or device inside the lithium battery? The function of this is to what? To monitor, regulate, and acquire data. That is analyzing the activities of the battery. So what it does is that it does not allow high voltage to pass through it. So this BMS in a lithium battery does not allow high voltage to pass through it. As a matter of fact, if you are using 24 volts, it means you are going to maintain 24 volts. If you are using 48 volts, you are going to maintain 48 volts because the BMS in the battery does not permit series connection at all. And that is why we have some of the batteries that we call stackable lithium batteries. We have the one that is stackable, but even in the stackable, it does not permit series connection. What it does is it permits parallel connections. Why? Series connections increases the voltages, whereas the parallel connection increases what? The amperage. So the battery helps you to maintain high amperage capacity of the battery. It does not allow voltage increase. Why? Because the BMS in the battery or the lithium battery does not permit increase in voltage, meaning it maintains at its own given voltages. It does not allow high voltage to pass through it. So on this note, I'm going to establish the fact that the reason why we don't use series connections in lithium battery connection is because the BMS inside the battery does not allow high voltage to pass through it. In other words, you cannot convert or combine 48 volts in series connection to get 96 volts. No. If you are using 12 volts, you maintain 12 volts. If you are using 24 volts, you maintain 24 volts. If you are using 48 volts, you maintain 48 volts. That is how it functions. And it can only allow us to run parallel connection because it allows maximum current, not enough current to flow. So all of them will be bringing out their current individually and supplying it to the system, which is the inverter. And that will make the load appliances in your house not to consume more of the battery because it will have enough current to withstand the load. But in terms of voltage, remember the voltage is actually meant to start up the inverter and it's the current that sustains the load. So that is why it is important you know this. And when you do this, your system will serve you better without causing harm either to the client or even you giving you sleepless night in terms of maintenance. So it is important you know this. And I'm going to show you the chart on how to know when your battery is fully charged and when it is not fully charged. Know the state of your lithium battery. This is the chart I will show you now. This chart shows we have our voltage here, we have our capacity here. If you have 48 volts, what it means that this is the rated voltage and the initial voltage inside of it is 51.2. In this 51.2 volts, what you need here when it is fully charged is 58 points. What you need is 58.4 fully charged at 100%. When it is not charged, when it is not fully charged, you have 54.4, 100%, not fully charged. So when it is not charged at all, we have 53.4. No, 53.6 is 99% not charged. Then we have 53.4 or 53.2 as the case may be, we have 90% not charged. Below this, the battery is what? Low. What it means is that if you are using your lithium battery that is 48 volts rated, once it is below 54.4 getting to 53.4, you should ensure that the battery is recharged. If not, you are going to run shortage of the battery, which will make your system either to go off or even drain the battery up to the lowest state, which will take more time for you to revive it. So I advise you, once you are following our channel part time, I have series of answers to every fault or challenges that people encounter in their installation or after the installation. So if you watch this video, kindly click on the subscription button, then ask your question, make your comments. I am always available to give answers to any question that concerns solar energy. I am a consultant in it. If you're also a company that need your brand or your product to be well known or to be used by series of installers, watch this video, comment, ask questions, get connected to me on one-on-one, and I promise you I will do justice to it by reviewing your product part time, and you are going to have a system that everybody will start using your product, just to make sure that we satisfy our clients and maintain a good customer relationship in order to make the world a better place for us by the use of technology. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.